Hi everyone, welcome back to the Public Traveler YouTube channel. I am Steven Stromberg. I'm also known as the Public Traveler, and I just wanted to share with you a tip. One of the things when you're packing that you worry about is that you're gonna forget items. And oftentimes if you're like me, you are packing to the minute you're gonna need to run out the door. But I have found a way to really reduce my packing time and also provide confidence to myself that I have all the items I need. In your phone, there's usually a notes feature, and I actually keep an ongoing list of all the items that I'm going to need on my trips. And if I forget something on one trip, I add it to my list. It has really cut down on the time it takes me to pack, but not only that, I save money because when I'm not forgetting items, I'm not going out and buying them. Create yourself your go list. Make your list, and every time you travel, add to that list those things that you may have forgotten. So I always pack a little of everything so I don't have to go without on my trip. As the Boy Scouts say, be prepared. All right, thank you. If you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it, share with your friends, and please subscribe. That will help us create more videos. Thank you so much.